right? So one of the best like kind of investments as far as Wix is concerned is this marketing section. And what you're able to do is create social media posts from different templates that you can choose from, whether it be images or videos, right? So you're able to kind of create different stories, designs, and similar to like Canva, right? And you're able to post on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and I believe Pinterest. So these are the different areas that you can actually like post on. And you'll see here that there's a bunch of different options as far as create a new post, create an image with Wix, create a video with Vimeo, especially with the AI features, and then create with Adobe. So these are all your different options as far as creating social media kind of posts themselves. But you'll see here that there's a bunch of different options when it comes to marketing. So this is the actual marketing homepage, and you'll see that it shows the SEO section, Google My Business, Google Analytics, subscribers, and all these different avenues as far as being able to generate leads and sales. So if we go to the Google Ads, this is a great feature here where if you're not really that knowledgeable as far as Google Ads, Wix kind of takes you through like a really cool kind of step-by-step process to show you exactly how you're able to kind of set up a campaign and get kind of traffic going towards your site. And this will be in another video. So you'll also notice here that you have Facebook and Instagram ads. So the Facebook and Instagram ad is exactly what it sounds like. You're able to run Facebook and Instagram ads right from this platform. All you have to do is connect it to your personal Facebook or your business account. And then from there, you'll be able to start running ads easily. In the next section, you'll see here's the email marketing. So the email marketing, I think, is also one of the most powerful tools because of automations. So depending on how a client interacts with your actual site would be exactly how they'll be able to kind of go through the journey. So you'll see here that there's the email marketing. You can select the different templates, and then from there be able to kind of create like a newsletter or whatever the case may be. But there will be a specific video just for email marketing. We went over to social media marketing, and then you'll notice here discounts. So there's coupons and automatic discounts. So with the coupons, you'll be able to create a coupon code and kind of specify whether or not it would be like a percentage or a specific amount, the actual coupon code, or if it's free shipping, sales, buy X, get X for free. So it does a pretty good job as far as giving you the options that you need that are pretty similar to Shopify. I'll close this out, and again, you'll have the automatic discounts, right? So you have the coupons here, and then you have automatic discounts. So pretty much, depending on the product, you'll be able to automatically apply certain discounts, so then that way people don't have to use a particular coupon code or whatever the case may be. So there's different ways to be able to really utilize this marketing platform to get leads, generate sales, and really get things going. So the marketing section is really, really, really good.